I am Beena Tharman, Director of Life Guide, Counseling and Advanced Transactional Analysis Study Center, Thrissur. I am a Master Transactional Analyst from ICTA. I am specialized in psychotherapy. What is psychotherapy and what's the need of psychotherapy? Why people need to do the therapy? Lot of people are believing that they don't want, or people don't want counseling or psychotherapy because there is a belief that people are doing this when they are getting sick. For doing this, no need of being sick. This is for the betterment, to improve the quality of life. Definitely, psychotherapy helps to heal our past, and the definition of psychotherapy is healing the past in the present to move into a better future. I said healing the past in the present to move for a better future. As a child, we all are undergoing a lot of pain, challenges, we are getting stuck, and at that time the child is taking his own or her own decisions for the survival. The child doesn't know what to do, and child is having only that much awareness to deal with the issue. By that time, the child, for its survival, taking those decisions, and after that all these decisions are coming into us in our personality as a programming. What happens in counseling and psychotherapy is pakka scientific process. So at that time the child is taking its own decisions to be with the circumstances and to survive those issues what the child is dealing with. At that time the knowledge, the competency of the child is very much limited, and there will not be permission to do a lot of things. Parents itself, definitely parents love the child very much, but parents are having their own belief system, living pattern and all, and they are pressurizing all these to the child, and the child is really struggling and it's not able to use its own potential at that time in fully functioning way. What's happening in counseling and psychotherapy is pakka scientific process. It is not just talking, it is not just advising and all. That is a process which is giving the healing, energizing, giving the confidence, giving the courage to deal with the issues what now the person is undergoing. We as grown-ups will be continuing the same patterns what we have acquired in our childhood. Even though we are adult, we are limiting the other options and using the same strategy. It is happening, already it is happening. But now with awareness, by understanding all these things, by healing the past and taking the present resources for our better life, we can do a lot of changes. We can use our opportunities in our life to live as a fully functioning person. I experienced that transactional analysis is a very competing shooting tool to work on this area. This is helping us to bring our whole energy to become energetic and available at all the situations as per the needs. As when we are with the people, it is giving us competing communication And when we deal our issues in the past, even I underwent on my process of doing this transaction analysis, I underwent lot of counselings and therapies, and I experienced the power of it. And at that time, actually I didn't decide to be the therapist and counselor or trainer. When I experienced all these and when I overcame lot of my issues and reaching at a level of what TA says, that is the purpose of TA, to acquire autonomy in our life, means that is releasing 3 components: awareness, spontaneity and intimacy. Awareness is the knowledge, the information, the maturity, what should we do as per the situation and as per the people who are with whom we are with. That is awareness. It gives us the idea of what to do, when to do, how to do, and how we should use our energy. We get awareness from that. And the spontaneity is the using the flexibility and acting from different ways as per the situation demands. That is spontaneity. And the third thing is intimacy. We are being intimate with the people, the situation, and with ourselves. That is very important. We are being comfortable with ourselves wherever we are, whenever we are. These are the 3 components, and by doing this counseling and especially the therapy, by healing our past, we can acquire this wonderful personality by doing the therapy. As being a therapist, I practice hypnotherapy, NLP, cognitive behavior therapy, REBT, and different types of gestalt therapy, psychodrama. I experienced the difference and depth and power of transaction analysis with its concept, ideas, techniques and all, to help the client to be then and there with the client with different approaches of and the branches of psychology, psychological therapeutic tools of this transactional analysis.